Here are 3 facts that will probably surprise you. In 2025, global e-commerce is expected to pass $7 trillion, and a growing chunk of that is from small independent stores. Thanks to AI and better tools, starting a dropshipping business today is 10 times easier than it was 2 years ago. If you follow the right steps, even a small dropshipping store can bring in around 5 to 20K per month in revenue with just a few winning products. If you're thinking about starting an online business this year, this may be your window. And if you've looked into it, chances are you've probably come across a platform called Shopify. But the question then becomes, is it actually beginner friendly, or is it one of those platforms that look easy until you're buried in costs and confusion? Let's find out, because today I'm giving you the real pros and cons of using Shopify to start your store from scratch in 2025. No fluff, no hype, just what actually works. All right, let's break this down. First up, the good stuff. Shopify is easy to set up. There's no coding, dashboard's clean, and you can launch a basic store in under 30 minutes in most cases. Whether you're starting with one product or 50 doesn't really matter. There are built-in themes, drag and drop blocks, and everything's already mobile optimized. If you can use a smartphone, you can essentially use Shopify. Here's another pro. You own everything. It's not TikTok Shop, Etsy, or Amazon. It's your website, your rules. You control the branding, the customer experience, and no one can randomly shut down your listings. That's huge, especially for TikTok creators who are now building Shopify stores to bundle products, collect emails, or retarget their viewers. Okay, now for some real talk. Shopify is not plug and play. It's worth realizing that it's not a marketplace. Shopify gives you the car, but you still have to put the fuel in and drive. That means creating your own product pages, bringing in your own traffic, and setting up your own automations. You can speed this up by using tools like SmithOS to build AI agents, but still, if you're not ready to experiment and learn, you'll feel stuck very quickly. That said, it's not a deal breaker. It means you're building a real business, not renting digital shelf space, and you can actually learn if you are willing to do it. Forget what you've heard. You don't need to drop $500 to $1,000 to test the waters and get started. Here's the smart beginner step. You grab the $1 a month Shopify promo that I've left in the description. You use a free Shopify theme. You install 1 to 2 free apps. And then you start with digital products or dropship TikTok Shop winners. You drive free traffic using TikTok or Instagram. You can get your first sale in under $50 if you are persistent and you learn as you go. And later, you can layer in more tools to automate everything. But at the beginning, you want to keep it lean and simple. One con that doesn't get talked about enough is app fatigue. The Shopify App Store is like a candy aisle for new store owners. Everything promises higher conversions, better retention, more upsells, etc. But those monthly fees stack up fast. My advice, stick with one reviews app like Judge.me, one email tool like Shopify Email, and one automation tool. The fewer moving parts, the easier it is to scale without losing your mind. Is Shopify really good for beginners? My opinion is yes, if you want control, scalability, and if you're willing to learn the ropes, which can take time in some instances. Not ideal if you're expecting instant passive income results with zero effort. You want to watch out for those red flags. But that learning curve, Shopify makes it feel way less scary, and it's intuitive, well documented, and made for people who want to build something real. If that's you, again, check the link in the description. Get Shopify for $1 a month to trial for the first 3 months, but only if you're one of the quick first people that click the link. And if you want to see a full breakdown of how to pick winning dropshipping products in 2025, especially on and for TikTok Shop, I've got a video that's waiting for you on the screen right now. I'll see you in there.